Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Public City Pro. This platform is designed to give you enhanced access to a wide range of city services and valuable information, making your engagement with local government much more efficient. We'll cover everything from understanding what Public City Pro offers to completing your registration. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to unlock its full potential and connect with your community like never before. To begin, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Generally, you need to be a resident within the city's administrative boundaries. You will also need a valid email address and a form of identification, such as a driver's license or state ID, for verification purposes. The first step is to create your personal account on the official Public City Pro website or through their dedicated mobile application, which takes just a few minutes. After creating your account, the next crucial step is verification. You'll be prompted to complete an online process, typically by uploading digital copies of your required identification documents. Once submitted, expect to receive an email confirmation within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes even sooner. This email will confirm your successful verification. Then, simply log in to activate your Public City Pro account and begin exploring all its features. With your Public City Pro account active, you can now maximize its benefits. You'll gain access to exclusive city updates and have the opportunity to participate in important community forums, giving your voice a platform. Enjoy priority scheduling for various city services and streamlined permit applications. Plus, receive personalized notifications about local events and initiatives that matter most to you, keeping you informed and connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.